Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So on today's video we're going to make a drink called Siesta. Right? It seems like it's a cross between margarita and palmala, right? Because we're using grapefruit juice, right? So a paloma. Anyway, doesn't matter. First thing first, we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of Blanco Tequila. And I'm using Demerara. It is, you know, the rocks tequila. So we're going to go with 1.5 ounces. Next, we're going to go with a 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. If you don't have it, like I don't have freshly squeezed, you just buy some non-concentrate. Not from concentrate. So we're going to go 1/2 ounce. Next, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of some fresh lime juice. Just 3/4 of an ounce. Little thunder, because this is an awesome drink, right? Next, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of some simple syrup. Add a little twist to it. We're going to go a quarter of an ounce of some Campari. Just a 1/4 of an ounce. Give it a little swirl. Add a little ice. I'm excited about this one because I think it's going to be really, really, really good. Got us a coupe glass because that's the theme. All right. A siesta. I think siesta means nap, maybe? Is that nap time, siesta? Or sleep time? I don't know. Anywho, I should probably Google Translate it. Cheers. I love it. Absolutely love it. I don't drink enough grapefruit juice, right? It's not my favorite citrus. But I think it does really well when it comes to like cocktails, right? And this right here is an excellent cocktail that I think I know who would love this in my friend group. Would love it. Anywho, do not forget to like, follow, and share. And come back again to look at some more stuff. And go down in the description to find some stuff you may need that you did not know you needed. Especially if you're building a bar and cocktail stuff, right? I have all the cheat codes down there. Anywho, till next time. Cheers.